Today is day 31 of learning latte art in my uni room. And again, absolute belter of a coffee today. I mean, no complaints. It's nice and big on there, lots of layers, it curved around the cup. It's just great. I'm a big fan of today's. I must say this one did go on the family group chat, and my sister replied, "Wow, that looks pro, well done," which was my aim. So I think only a few more days of getting this one down, and then it's Rosetta time. Should I make that a thing? Hashtag Rosetta time. So follow for hashtag Rosetta time.